So good afternoon, part 2, beef tripe. You see, that's cooking on a very, very low heat. You see, here it is, absolutely beautiful. His kitchen. So now we're gonna put salt in there and pepper and make something. So right here, I'll put a bit more water in there, a bit more water, so 2 cups of water, and I've salted and put vegeta and pepper inside. So right here, I'll put a bit of butter in there, like, lemon butter. So on a very, very low heat, just let it melt, Amke's kitchen. So right here, I've melted the butter, put a bit of sweet paprika, and 1 tablespoon of flour, plain flour. So just stir it through, mix like so, beautiful. Mix. Let's go zapajak in my country, zapajak. That's it. That should be it. And then pour it into here. So right here. So, oh, bloody hell, That shouldn't have happened, But now I'll put the mixer in. I'm gonna stir it really well and let it cook for another half an hour. So when it starts to boil, let's cook it for another half an hour, 20 minutes. I have no idea, so better taste it. So as I've said, taste it if it's salty, if it needs anything, and of course the beef tripe, taste it as well, So as I've said, it needs at least half an hour, at least. Maybe you cook it for 40 minutes, I have no idea. Amke's kitchen, part 2. So right here, let's try it again, the beef tripe and how salty it is. So right here, I put 2 cups of water, 2 more cups of water, so bring it to the boil. So slowly starts to boil, Amke's kitchen, woo! And then, so there it goes, everything is cooked, fantastic go, Amke's kitchen, well done Amir, bon appetit. So thanks guys for watching part 2, see you later.